Hi, hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Friends, in this video we are going to show you Coastalwood and Sandalwood film entertainer Sonal Mondiro some of the best photoshoot video. Friends, Sonal Mondiro is an Indian film entertainer. She is mainly appeared in Coastalwood and Sandalwood film industry. She started her acting career in the Tulu film Ekka Chakka in 2015. After that, she worked in the romantic comedy film Philipile Yamunaka. She also worked in Kannada film Avisarike in 2018. For this film, she nominated Saima Award for Best Female Debutant Actress in Kannada. She also worked several movies including Demopis in 2020, Robbery in 2021, Sambho Siva Sangara in 2022, Karadi in 2023, Sugar Factory in 2023. Friends, if you like this video, please do like, comments and share it to your friends and family. If you want more video like this, please click subscribe button and along with the bell icon. Thank you friends and keep watching.